This video is for beginner editors. Yeah, so if you're a pro editor or intermediate, you can scroll. So if you're watching this video, it means that you are a beginner editor. Then I want to show you some few motion design or some few editing.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience, make me
Now, these motions you have seen, and maybe many other motion designs or many other editing you have seen some editors do. There is one major thing that they use to do all these things, like one major thing, yeah, and this thing is the basis of all motion design or basis of editing. Yeah, and this thing is keyframes. Keyframes. Like, no matter how complex the motion is, no matter how simple it is, like keyframes is what is used to do it. And many beginner editors don't know anything about keyframes. I asked somebody and she was like, they use keyframes to zoom in. Keyframes is not only used to zoom in, but there are a lot of things you can do with keyframes, just like I showed you. So I'm going to play you a 4-minute video that is going to tell you what keyframes is all about. So it's not going to make you to become pro at it, but it's going to tell you what keyframe is all about and how you can start using them as a beginner editor. So here's the video. Enjoy. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I hope you are hearing me. So this is the keyframe here. I'm coming this thing over here that I'm circling. Oh god. Listen, I'm circling. Yeah, so that is the keyframe. So like I said, the main idea of keyframe is to move something from A to B, and this something can be anything. It can be to make a text to go from small to big, or to make an image to go from small to big, or from big to small, like a whole lot of things, or to make a text to like fade in. So let me show you a few examples. So for example, my phone is kind of lagging. It's not all those strong phones. Plus I'm doing screen recording, so it's going to lag a little bit. So let me write something. I'm going to write my name. I don't know what else to write. So Prosper, let me change the color, so that you will see it. Yeah. So this is Prosper. So you can come here and add a keyframe. So you see, like you see this thing that appeared on the text. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that thing, that's to show you that the keyframe have been applied. Keyframes deal with start and end. So you put the start, and then the ending is where you want it to be. So at this ending, I want it to come here. So if I play this video, you will see it will move. You see it. And if I want it to move again, I can come and add another keyframe. You see. Like you see, so from here and it goes here. Yeah, so if I want, I can also move it. Yeah, so like keyframe is just like moving something from A to B. You see, like it's just moving on its own. I'm not the one like moving it. Like if I put it on play, it will just keep moving. Yeah. You can also do it with images. Like for example, this image that is like the background image. I can add keyframe to it. You can see the keyframe. Then I add another one over here. So at this ending keyframe, I want it to kind of zoom in. So I make it to zoom in. So you see, so if you take it back, you can see that it's zooming in. So that's basically what you need to know about keyframes. So it's not just for zooming, it's just to transform something or change something from A to B. I don't know if CapCut also changes color. Let me see if CapCut changes the color. Let me show you the color one. I'm not sure CapCut does it. So CapCut did the color change. Let me do. Okay. Let me see. Here you see, CapCut does a color change. You see, it was black and now it's orange or whatever color that is. So you see, so keyframes is just to move something from A to B. So it's depending on how creative you are. Yeah, you can use it to do whatever you want to do.